So my wife's almost brand new Mustang screwed up today with a faulty front screen. It just wouldn't turn on, and I have to drive over here to pick her up. And when the cars turned off and turned back on, there was an error message at first, and now the panel is completely dead. I don't know how to reset it. Hopefully there's a way, but can't even drive like this. It's kind of dangerous, but we're trying to find out what's going on. But this sucks. The car has less than 3,000 miles on it, and it's already doing this. So we're pretty scared about the build quality of the 2024 and up Ford Mustang. This is the EcoBoost version. So yeah, let's see what's going on. And this is what happens with the car just turn off. So no display. The display just stays on and kind of frozen. The other display turned off. So I'm gonna try to do a battery reset and turn off the light, and let's see what's going on. Yeah, okay, so now the panel just turned off. So let's see. Yep, does nothing. Okay, battery reset. All right, so got to the car. I removed the battery cover, and I also removed the positive terminal from the fuse box. So with the positive terminal removed, I haven't had the need to remove the battery. I'm hoping by resetting the fuse box, the car would start again. So I double checked, and there are no power anymore on the car. It's all dark and black inside. Okay, so I'm gonna wait a few minutes, and I'm gonna try to restart the car and see if it actually would solve the front panel problem. The car is still drivable, just the only thing that's not working is the front panel. The front panel went dark. And my wife said that the car was not moving. It was because somehow the parking brake was engaged when the car had any kind of issues. So I disengaged the parking brake, and I was able to actually back it out from the wall over there. All right, my wife is gonna film me try to reconnect the battery terminal over there. So I'm gonna do that. And this is a little bolt, and let's have my car key there just in case. And let's see. Okay, so everything's reconnected. I don't want to get shocked, so maybe I should put a pair of gloves. It's clicking and restarting. Let's see. Hopefully I don't drop this. All right, and we just need to align this to the thing. All right, right there. So that's the only thing you need to do to disconnect the car, instead of disconnecting the battery side, because I'm going to show you guys, like, it's not a good idea to disconnect the battery side because it's got a lot of bolts and screws over there. Okay, so yeah, the best way is just to quickly disconnect the fuse. And we're going to go into the car now and try to see if the screen got reset. Okay, so let's go to the car. All right, so the screen's reset, so it does look like it fixed the problem. Let's try to start. So quite interestingly, thank God, a battery reset fixed this issue. The car, so our last car, which is a 2015 Ford Mustang, also had issue with Bluetooth, which required a battery reset. And in this instance, this reset actually fixed the screwed up frozen screen. And let's check if all the brakes are working. I'm gonna put on the parking brake. Yep, So the parking brake is working fine. Gonna release it. And it's released, so parking brake's off. And there are no error messages. So I think I kind of solved the issue for this instance. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Try all the highlight. Yep. All right, so all the lights are working. Backup camera, working fine. Gonna park. And yeah, so if you guys are having same issue with your car not starting and giving you a whole bunch of error message and the screen go dark on your brand new 2024 Ford Mustang, do a battery reset on the positive terminal on the relay. That's a quick and easy fix, okay? Otherwise, if it doesn't reset it, I would suggest bring it to the dealer, okay? So yeah, there you have it. I'm not happy about this instance because I have to drive in the rush hour traffic to rescue my wife, but we were able to get the car working. So that's the good part. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to the channel. And we might have more Mustang related videos coming out for you guys. Thanks again and see you in the next video. Take care.